How to change my Amazon country back to US. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Misnel, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your region or country back to US, or how you can change your Amazon region or country. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy. I'll be showing you through the application here, the Amazon shopping application. You can go ahead and simply download the Amazon shopping application and then open it up and log into your Amazon account. Once you open it up here, you shall get an face somewhat like this, right? At the bottom of the screen, you can see 5 different icons. You want to tap on the profile icon that you can see at the middle bottom of the screen. And now you want to tap on your account option at the screen that you can see here. Once you do so here, now, if you scroll down below under account settings, somewhere there you shall be able to see the option that says your addresses. You want to simply tap on your addresses option, and then you can simply tap on edit under your personal address option, and you can switch it to back to US. If you just simply wish to add a new address, you can tap on add a new address and add a new address as well. So this way you can change your Amazon country. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.